That's really lovely though, isn't it?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Good.
Hello, you lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a special episode of Flawless Blessings. Last night I was passing this church and I thought I'd stop by and just volunteer my services. And Father Doug has took me up on it. So let me show you around. Right, so after talking to Father Doug, he showed me just a few areas that needed some TLC from me. So here they are. As you can see, there is no colour in this patio. Watch me work my magic, and yeah, hope you enjoy this transformation. Hey. Cheers. So, as you can see, there's not much overhanging. Got this one here, but it's quite colourful. I don't know much about gardening, so I don't know whether I'm meant to trim that or just leave it there. So I'm going to leave it there because it's nice and colourful. Just going to shovel back all the soil and get a few weeds at the bottom. Then hopefully this will be that done. Then I'll start pressure washing all the way along here, and we will start seeing the colours to pop. I'm so excited. Just look. And yeah, Father Doug's been out about 5 times so far, and every time he's like, "You're so kind." I'm like, it's just a nice heartwarming feeling. But yeah, I'm gonna get cracking. Enjoy this tea. Cheers. Right, prep work is done. Time to get these colours popping. Let's go. And you know what time it is. Check that grime line out. Oosh. Absolutely buzzing with Paris coming up. That is amazing. Honestly, can't wait for them matching. But you're next. I don't even know how many years of grime this is. Probably, definitely over the region of 10. Easy. I don't think this patio has seen them sort of colours in a long time. It's just a dream sort of to clean. I'm not sure, but this might just be one of the best cleans I've done so far. The colours are just popping, it's unreal. Got another grime line behind me. Father Doug is still in meetings, unfortunately. I did want to show him at least one grime line, but I'm going to crack this last little bit out, and then hopefully, I don't think he's seen any of it yet. So when he comes out of these meetings, I promise you to get his reaction, and I bet he will be buzzing. Anyway, let's crack on. Thank you very much.
Well, the results here must be a huge motivation.
Yeah, definitely.
To see such scrappy old yard turn into a fabulous, colourful patio.
Yeah.
That's really lovely though, isn't it?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Good.
But yeah, on to the next one. Hopefully get the front all sorted for you next week. And then...
Well, then everybody in the parish will appreciate that.
Yeah, definitely.
And there'll be a garden party here, and you're very much invited.
Thank you very much.
No, you've done enough. You've done such a wonderful job.
Thank you.
I don't know whether I come absolutely agog.
All the pressure.
Then you will be blessed, not just by me, but by many.
Well, thank you.
Because this is phenomenal. It motivates me to do so much more now. Nobody who knew that there were these 4 colours in this patio. Yeah, you can't. Every day's a gift, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
But you have to have a plan A.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'll be 40 as a priest later this year.
Wow. That's cool. Did you do anything special with that?
I didn't really bring people out here because it was such a horrible tick.
You do make a lovely cup of tea, by the way.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, thank you
Fantastic
very much.
work, Ben. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. I did not expect all them colours just to pop like that. I'm cream crackered, but it was so worth it. Father's Doug reaction was just brilliant. I mean, it was so just generally like appreciative. So I'm going to donate another day to the church. So that'll be the following week. I'm going to go back and sort a few more areas out, the front of the church and stuff like that. So if you can subscribe, it just helps me help others. And yeah, I'm loving it. And I'll see you in the family outro. Cheers. Gravity! We're at Gravity! It's your birthday! Yeah? Down there? By Nando's. Where are we going?
Thank you, Mr. for my lovely present.
Ah, what you got? Spider-Man. Upper. Naughty.
Naughty.
Who's naughty?
Naughty.
Show me. Naughty.
Naughty.
Naughty boy.
Naughty. Naughty. Naughty.
Chicky.
Daddy.